Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Just for those who don't know me, my name is Wesley Tigera and I'm a junior programmer, and today we're gonna be declaring variables. So as you can see here, this is like a simple calculator, if you can put it like that. So we have two spin edits here and a calculator, and so we're gonna be inputting numbers here and here. We're gonna input a number here and input a number here, and then the number is supposed to be calculated. Supposed to be, those two numbers are supposed to add when you press this calculate, and it's supposed to display an answer. Let me show you, like, let's say for example I put 2 here plus 2, and if I say calculate, it's supposed to display an answer. So let's get straight into it. So the simplest way of doing this, you can just say I've named it said num1. No, it's supposed to be obl answer dot caption gonna be equal to said num1 dot value plus said num2 dot value, and yep, and then we're supposed to add a math function here so that it does all the math functions, as you can see. Okay, and to string. So as you can see, it gets given us the answer. But that's like this is the simplest way, but it's not like the most efficient way. So that's where variable declaration comes now. So we're gonna add a variable here. So a variable is like a container, which is like we'll be storing the simplest it's like a container which will just be storing the numbers. So is the data type, so the variable will be the data type. So here we know that numbers, the data type of numbers is integers, right? So it's gonna be an integer, and then we're gonna store the variable, which is num1, which is container 1. It's gonna have to store the information which is in num1 dot value, right? And num2 is gonna store set num2 dot value, and yep. And then this is very important, this is an argument, right? Thing which I put here, which is into string, is an argument, which is like, it's like a translator in Delphi, where it's gonna be translating two languages. Let's say the label here, the label answer only understands strings, right? So it's translating the strings from the string which is in here, because numbers, they can be strings, because strings is like a mixture of numbers, but numbers can also be strings. But it's gonna be converting the integers, which is here, the integer which is a number here, and it's gonna be converting it into a string, which is like translating it from an integer to a string, so that it's understood by the label. And num1 plus num2, and Yep. And as you can see, so here you can change, let's say this has changed, maybe it's multiplication, maybe it's now multiplication, right? Just let's say it's a multiplication. Here you can just change here, and since you have put the math method on top there over here, the use which is math, it's gonna any mathematical function, it will be able to do that. And voila, it's now working. And yep, that's it for today's video, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on valuable valuable declaration as well. Yep.